yourself comfortable again, because we'll start the breathing exercises. Hands breathing. So we'll bring both of our hands up, just following me. So we'll inhale and exhale. Inhale when the arms are up, exhale when the arms are down. So we are moving also the arms, and we are also breathing. We will breathe only on the nose. So we'll close the mouth and we'll breathe only on the nose. We want to open both nostrils more, so this will bring us more clarity from the mind. So bring your arms up. So we'll start to do some arms breathing. Just follow my arms and breathe in on the nose. Now breathe normally. Breathe under on your nose, and just feel the peace, the calm of your mind. We are doing 5 normal breaths. Okay, now we are gonna do shoulder breathing. So we are doing the same, just breathing on the nose, but we are just uh, moving our shoulders up and down, up and down. Now we are bringing the shoulders to the ears and then down, up, down. So this is shoulder breathing, shoulder breath. So you can count for yourself. We are doing 30 rounds, right? So I'll count in my mind, you can count for yourself. We are doing 30 rounds, and then we have 5 normal breaths. We are starting now. Feel the clarity of your mind, feel the peace inside, feel the stillness. And now we're gonna do some pranayama exercises. Bring your right arm up and bring 2 fingers in the middle of your forehead, and with your big finger just uh, put over your right nostril. So like this. 2 fingers on the middle of your forehead, and with the big finger just press over your right nostril. So we are breathing on the left nostril and we are exhaling on the right nostril, and then we change. Okay, so we are breathing on the left, hold for 5 seconds, exhale on the right. Again, hold for 5 seconds, exhale on the left. Inhale on the left, exhale on the right. Inhale on the right, exhale on the left. 3 more rounds. Inhale on the left, exhale on the right. Good job, congrats. Now just feel your nose, your nostril, feel the space in your mind. And we are taking here 3 deep breaths. Inhale on your nose, exhale on your mouth. You can stay now with your eyes closed and feel this space. Feel the air. And we are now start to do a short meditation. Just moving our awareness on our body. So we are starting with the breath. I just want you to connect with the breath, and with your awareness, just follow the breath to your body. Follow where the breath starts and where the breath ends. Follow the breath from entering to your nose, and then follow your breath through the abdomen. And maybe here you can feel your abdomen and fill your abdomen with air, with breath. So we are doing just few rounds of connecting deep with our breath. Try to keep your awareness, your attention on the breath, and even that the thoughts are coming, just don't interact with them. Just follow your breath to your body. Now I want you to move the attention from your breath through your head. Just scan your head, your mind. How is your mind feeling? Do you have tension in your mind? Do you have thoughts? Or do you have space in your mind? Is your mind stressed? Or is your mind calm? Observe, just observe. Bring awareness. Now just move your awareness to your whole body. Scan your neck, your shoulders, your chest, your spine, your belly, your hips, your lower back, your legs, your ankles, your thumbs. Just scan your body with awareness and feel where you have tension in your body. And now move your awareness on that part of the body that has tension. Maybe shoulders, maybe chest, belly, lower back. Now go deep with your awareness and try to feel that tension. Feel what emotions arise when you are moving your awareness on that part of the body. What are you feeling now? Maybe it's sadness. Maybe tiredness. Maybe the need for affection and love. Try to stay with this emotion. Feel it. And with the help of your breath, and with the help of your mind and awareness, just go there and breathe there in that space. And feel how you are releasing the tension through breath. Feel how you are creating more space, just using your breath and your awareness to release the tension. And if you want to go more deep, you can go focus more with your awareness there. And just speak with your body. Speak with attention. And ask this tension, this pain, why are you here? What is your message for me? And just listen. first thing that is coming to your mind is the correct thing usually. Don't try to force yourself, even that you don't get anything. Pay attention to what emotions are arising, because our body can speak in many ways. Our body can use words, visuals, or also like emotions. Like pay attention to everything that's now inside of you. How can I help you? What can I do to release this tension? You can ask your body this. What can I do to release this tension? And listen. And now you're just feeling how we are slowly, slowly releasing tension from this area with our breath and with our awareness. Breathe in and breathe out.